Today's Facebook ad tip of the day is using lookalike audiences in your advertising campaign on Facebook. What a lookalike audience is it is a group of people who share similar characteristics and traits to people who may be valuable to your business, whether it's an email list or people that have purchased your product or have subscribed to your email list. And one of the best visual illustrations is from Searchbox here, and it basically illustrates how Facebook takes the information that you upload in to the back end of the business manager. It then uses the artificial intelligence that it has to match up new people that then become the lookalike audience. And one of the best illustrations here is with two sets of identical twins. It basically takes the people on the left and identifies people that have very similar interests over on the right hand side and are more likely to come in and become leads and customers but don't yet know about your brand. So good luck with that, and if you found this tip of the day useful, consider hitting that subscribe button for more useful Facebook ads and tips.